Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. In today's video, I'll show you how to mask and follow people who don't follow you back on Instagram. If you are looking to clean up your followers list, this is the quick and easy way to do it. So now let's dive in. To mask and follow users, you can use third-party apps like Cleaner for IG or Unfollow users. Download and install one of these apps from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, log into the app using your Instagram credentials. Make sure to grant the necessary permissions so the app can access your followers list. Use the app's built-in tools to scan your followers and identify users who don't follow you back. These apps typically have a non-followers or ghost followers section. Select all the users you want to follow, then you want to unfollow, then use the app's must then use the app's mask and follow feature to remove them from your following list in bulk. Be cautious not to exceed Instagram's unfollow limits to avoid getting temporarily blocked. And that's how you must unfollow people who don't follow you back on Instagram. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.